Okay, to do some sight singing. We're just going to look at the next 2 pages in the book. So it's page 4 and 5. And it starts with exercise 5 at the top. So what I'd like us to do here is just to recap what we were doing over the last 2 weeks, and that is our do and so. Okay, so as we were doing in the voice warm-up, do, so, do, so. So if I give you do, do, then you would sing so. Did you get it? And then back to do, do. Okay, so it should be kind of registering now quite nicely as to what we anticipate those pitches to sound like, and the hand signals should be helping quite nicely with that. Okay, so we're going to look at the next exercise, and we're starting on do. We are in the key of E, which is not one that we've done yet in this book, but it doesn't matter because the distance between the notes is the same. The interval is the same. Do, so, do. All right? So I'm going to give you the E, and then I want you to just sing this on your own, and then I'll sing it through with you so you can just double check. We're looking also for the quavers. So we've got two notes on a beat when we see those beamed notes together, okay? When we're counting 4 beats in a bar, and we don't have anything other than 4 beats in a bar in this piece, so that should be quite nice and straightforward for you. Okay, so I'm just going to give you your note. There you go, and I want you to sing this on your own. Ready, 2, 3, 4. Right, sing it again, I'll sing it with you, okay? There you go, 2, 3, 4, do, so, 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 do, so, 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 do, so, 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 do, 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 do. Right, I'm sure that was nice and straightforward for you. Just a little reminder of how to get ourselves back in. So we're going to move swiftly on to exercise 6 now, further down the page. We've gone into the key of D now, so our do has moved down 1 note, and obviously so will our so have moved down 1 note. And we've got the 2 parts here again. So like I did with exercise 5, I'll give you your do. I want you to sing the first line. I will sign it, but you sign it as well while you're singing, because that really does help to reinforce the notes in your oral memory. And then I'll sing it through so you can sing along a second time and just double check how you got on, and then we'll do the same with the second line. So we'll start with exercise 6, and that starts with do quaver, and again just 4 beats in a bar the whole way through. So I'll give you your note. There's your do, 2, 3, 4. Right, let's do it together. There's your do, 3, 4. Do, 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 so, so, so. Do, 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 so. So, so, do, so, so, do, so, 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 do. Okay, let's look at the next line. So we're singing part 2, all of us now. And we're starting on do, but we have to really watch those rests, okay? But I'll click the rests for you, but be aware of that inner beat as well, okay? There's your do, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Right, lots of counting in that one. So let's do this together again. Okay, so I'll sing it with you this time. There's your do. 2, 3, 4. Do. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. So. So, so, do. Super. Okay, right, so what we're going to do this time is what we've done in previous weeks, and I'm going to ask you now to sing the whole thing through, and we're going to go, you're going to sing the whole of the first part and then go straight into the second part. All right? No stops. And I will sing the harmony. So when you're singing part 1, I'll be singing part 2, and when you're singing part 2, I'll be singing part 1. Okay? There's your do. You singing part 1. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Do. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. So. So, so, do. Get ready to change and do, do, do. So, so, so. Do, 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 do. So. So, so, do. So, so, do. So, 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 do. Well done. Okay, I hope that sounded good. You can hear the two parts. I can only hear myself. All right, so now we're going to do something new. Something we're a bit bored of doing so. And we're going to put the note that goes right in the middle. We're talking about me, okay? So if we were to sing do, re, mi, fa, so, mi is right in the middle. So the hand sign for me is that it's a straight flat hand with your palm facing down. So was your palm facing inwards to your body. Mi is your palm facing down. So do, mi, so, mi, do. So if we look at the bottom of the page there, exercise 7, it's showing you how mi fits between those two notes absolutely perfectly bang in the middle. So if do is on a line, mi is on the next line up, and so is on the next line up. And the same if do is written on a space, mi is on the next space up, and so is on the next space up as well. Okay? So, let's see if we can try this little exercise in the yellow box at the bottom. It says sing on da, but no, we're going to sing on do, mi, so, mi, do, okay? So we'll take it nice and steady. We're starting on do. So sing with me, okay? So as you move between the spaces, you are singing do, mi, so, mi, do, etc. So just we'll do it really nice and slowly. Here's your note. If you want to sing down there, it's fine. I'm singing up here. And this is our do. Okay? Do, mi, so, mi, do, mi, so, mi, do, do, so, do, mi, do, so, mi, do. It's quite tricky when you have to think about another note, isn't it? Well, don't worry too much about that. We'll move on through the other exercises. The more practice we have, the easier it'll be, I promise you. Okay, so we're going to stay with our do there. Okay, and I'm going to actually start with part 2 on this one, which is at the top of page 5, exercise 7. So let's look at part 2 first, because I think that's a little bit more straightforward. Okay, so we're going to start with 2 do's, then we move to mi, and then back to 2 do's, and we do that a couple of times, and we only go up to so when we're on the second line where you can see the word salt. Okay, so bear that in mind. Do, mi, do, mi, do, mi, do, mi. Okay, that's the gap, the interval between those notes. Let's try it slowly together. And do, do, mi, do, 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 mi, do. Let's do it one more time. Really nice and steady, really nice and slow. In fact, I think I'm going to put a metronome beat on this as well, which might help us just to keep that clear sense of beat. So listen for that as well, okay? Here's your do, 1, 2, 3, 4, do, do, mi, do, 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 mi, do, mi, do, 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 so, do, do, mi, so, mi, do. Okay, good. I'm going to keep that going and we're going to look at the top line, okay? So let's try it together. 1, 2, 3. There's your do, 3, 4. Do, mi, do, mi, do, mi, do, mi. So, do, do, do. Do, mi, do, mi. Okay, let's try that one more time as well. Suddenly there's a lot more to think about. There's your do, 3, 4, do, mi, do, mi, do, mi, do, mi, so, do, 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 mi, do, mi, so, mi, so, mi. Okay, right, and I think we'll leave that there actually for today because this has gone on quite a bit. But what you can do is you can play this back, and then when I'm singing part 1 on the video, you can sing part 2 and vice versa. So that can give you an opportunity to hear how it matches together, and it should be perfectly in time because we had that metronome going. So well done. Okay, we've had to start now with introducing a new note. So we've learned do, we've learned so, and now we've learned mi, right in the middle. Do, mi, so, mi, do. Well done.